Here is the video of the inactive device, and we want to capture every single step in activation process. So we're going to select the activate icon on the idle screen. And we want to make sure that we see the screen with the 1, 2, 3. Usually it will take a little time to see transition from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 3. Now we see the page that says welcome to Virgin Mobile. Before you start making calls, we need to set your phone up with the network. Make sure we capture the text as well. And the link, it says get started now. I'm going to click on it. Those cases can be captured as well. Why this link is not clickable. Try it again. Now we see the activating your phone now, which just takes a second or two. We have to make sure that the backlight is always on every page. Now we see a success page. We have to make sure that the text is correct as well. And we have the link. It says restart to use. Make sure that's clickable. Now we see you're done. Thanks page. Make sure that the backlight is on as well. And now the phone should reboot. And we wanted to capture that in using the tool as well. And it's important that the phone will reboot. And then we have to verify the MSIN and DN that has been programmed to the device. We're going to use the settings on the device to see it. We're going to unlock the phone. And first of all, we have to make sure that the activate icon being removed from the idle screen. That's one of the main things. So the device already been active. So see, the shortcut's been removed, which is good. Now we're going to go back to the settings. And we're going to scroll all the way down to the activate phone. Make sure that if we can do and use the tool to select all these links. Then we're going to get the status of the phone. And we make sure that the MSIN and MDN been programmed, which shows here my phone number. It's correct, and the MDN as well. So the phone is being active, which is good. Now we're going to go back to the home screen. We can select this option to activate it again, which is the reactivation. We click the activate icon on the menu screen, and we're going to do the process again, which is reactivation, and we see from transition from 1 to 2. And the next will be from 2 to 3. Sometimes this transition will take a longer time. You can have an error, so we're going to make sure that the tool will capture the error as well. But so far it looks good. Now we see the same good page, which is the get started now, and then we're going to click the link. Make sure it's clickable, and then we see the next page. Make sure that the backlight is on as well. And now we see the success page, and we have another link, which is restart to use. And make sure the text is correct as well. Now we see you are done. Thanks page. Again, make sure the backlight is on as well. And now we will see that the phone should reboot. And make sure that the tool can, capture everything and make sure that it's all looking good. So basically we just did reactivation of the device. So we did activation, reactivation, and now then one more step, we're going to do RTN of the device, which is one part of the testing as well. We're going to unlock the phone, and then we're going to dial pound, pound, RTN, pound. We're going to reset the default. We're going to enter the service code. Click OK. The phone will reboot. So we want to make sure that the tool can do the same steps I just did. Again, the RTN is very important for this testing as well. Make sure that we can reset the device to original state. This is whatever you see, it's part of the device resetting. Phone reboot. Usually takes a couple, maybe minutes or so. It should go back to the idle screen. Of course, you have to unlock the phone first. Of the RTN, sometimes reboot takes a little longer. So now we see idle screen with activate icon, which is expected. So we want to make sure that it will reappear on the idle screen after the phone being rebooted. And we have to capture the text as well. This is important that the pop-up text show up when the device is inactive. And will take a couple seconds to disappear from the idle screen. And now you just have to click on the top, the power button, and you can unlock the phone. And then you can start your activation from the beginning again. And you go through the same steps. See, now we see a perfect page which has a link on it, and I hope this helps. Thank you very much.